day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips Program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week's focus is on the review of banks' first quarter 2023 financial performance. The consistent monitoring of the financial performance of quoted companies quarterly for stock investors cannot be overemphasized. The financial performance shows how well a firm can utilize assets from its core business to generate revenue and profits. This enables investors to make informed investment decisions whether to hold, sell, or buy more shares of the company. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the apex investment regulator, requires all listed companies to file their unaudited quarterly earnings within the maximum of 30 days, which lapsed on the 30th of April 2023. However, companies are allowed to seek extensions if they are unable to meet up with the deadline to avoid being fined. This update also assists investors in managing their expectations and planning accordingly. This week, we focus on the financial performance of quoted companies in the banking sector. The banking sector accounts for over 40% of total activity in the Nigerian exchange and is very crucial in any economy due to its financial intermediary function. 8 out of the 13 quoted companies have published their unaudited Q1 2023 scorecard. In recent times, Nigerian banks have faced various headwinds, including competition from telcos and fintech, CBN discretionary cash reserve ratio debits, high impairment charges on Ghana financial instruments, and FX illiquidity. Despite these challenges, the bank has remained financially strong and profitable. The bank's gross earnings and profit after tax (PAT) grew by an average of 41% and 54% year-on-year respectively in Q1 2023. Access Bank continued its impressive trend, being the first bank to cross the 1 trillion naira gross earnings threshold in 2022, with a 44% year-on-year increase in gross earnings to 425 billion naira in Q1 2023 from 296 billion naira in Q1 2022. This can be attributed to a giant leap in interest income on loans and advances to customers and net foreign exchange gain. As a result, PAT increased by 35% to 64 billion naira in Q1 2023. GT Bank, UBA, and Zenith followed similar remarkable trends with 32%, 47% and 41% year-on-year growth in gross earnings to 158 billion naira, 271 billion naira and 270 billion naira in Q1 2023. Also, PAT grows by 35%, 29% and 13% year-on-year to 58 billion naira, 55 billion naira and 66 billion naira respectively. The impressive performances can also be linked to improvements in interest income on customers' loans and advances, higher income on fixed income instruments, as well as FX and fixed income trading gains. The Tier 2 banks followed a similar strong financial performance pattern in Q1 2023. Stanbic, Wema, Fidelity and FCMB recorded notable growth in their gross earnings with the year-on-year growth of 44%, 29%, 42% and 50% to 97 billion naira, 40 billion naira, 101 billion naira and 87 billion naira in Q1 2023. Similarly, PAT grew by 91%, 83%, 64% and 82% year-on-year to 29 billion naira, 5 billion naira, 16 billion naira and 9 billion naira in Q1 2023 respectively. The impressive performances recorded by the banks in the first 3 months of 2023 have supported the share prices of the banks, just like the impressive corporate actions declared at the end of full year 2022. We expected the banks to sustain this positive form due to relative stability in the economy, which provides more opportunities for loans and advances as well as reduced impairment charges. We believe their fundamentals remain strong amidst the numerous headwinds. Hence, we recommend that long-term investors take positions gradually ahead of the release of the half-year financial performance, as the top banks are set to declare interim dividends, giving their sterling outing in Q1 2023. Remember that investment in stocks may not guarantee capital preservation, but it can offer a higher return than fixed income. You can allocate a portion of your portfolio to stocks based on your risk appetite and age. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another exciting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.